everyone, I'm Daniela, and today we're trying delicious treats from Japan. This video is sponsored by TokyoTreat and Sakuraco. They've sent me these amazing limited edition Valentine's boxes to share with you. I've been a long-time Sakuraco subscriber, and they send you these amazing boxes delivered straight to your door every month. They're jam-packed full of Japanese treats, and each box gives you a little bit of variety. TokyoTreat is full of limited edition modern-day treats from Japan. Things like Kit Kats, Ramune candy, and I'm sure there are many more that we'll discover together. And Sakuraco delivers delicious, authentic, traditional Japanese treats. It also comes with one piece of home or kitchenware in every box. It's one of my favorite parts. I can't tell you the excitement I get every month when my Sakuraco box comes in, but this is my first TokyoTreat box and I can't wait to dig into it. In each box, you'll get a cute little card that tells you a little more about the theme of the box. And you'll get this handy cheat sheet with all of the information about the food you're eating, including allergies. We're gonna start with the red and white Kit Kats. Japan is known for its wacky Kit Kat flavors. You get a whole pack. It's like 10 Kit Kats. Kit Kat red and white. Red for Valentine's and white for White's Day. These red and white Kit Kats combine original milk chocolate with creamy white chocolate, making for a crispy sweet gift to your Valentine. Oh, it smells really good. I love the combination of white and dark. You get that really nice sweetness from the white, but the milk dark chocolate kind of cuts through it a little bit. And of course, you've got the delicious Kit Kat cookie in the middle. If you like what you see and you want a box of your own, check out the links in the video description where you can get $5 off your first order. Next up, Soy Sauce Senbei. Senbei are Japanese rice crackers. These are crunchy senbei rice crackers seasoned with sweet soy sauce, creating a perfect marriage of sweet and salty. Made with love, like a Japanese grandma. These snacks will transport you to the scenic countryside. If you've never been to the Japanese countryside, you have to go. The people are just so lovely, the scenery is out of this world, and the food is like nothing you've had in any of the big cities. And did you know, Japan makes their snacks super easy to open, so you're just able to just rip it. They also tend to give you multiples in each pack, perfect for sharing. Let's give it a taste. Japanese sweet soy sauce. It is that perfect salty sweet hit. If you like kettle corn or anything with a salty sweet taste, this senbei is out of this world. The next snack is Rassucho Chocolate Crunch. Say be mine with a crunch with these milk chocolate bites. Easily snackable, these crispy chocolates are great to share with a special someone. I'm not sure I'm gonna share these with anyone. They look so good. What is this magic? It's like layers of really, really thin chocolate biscuit coated in chocolate. Oh my God. This might be the best thing I've had out of a Sakuraco or TokyoTreat box. Wow, I could definitely eat an entire box just of these. Definitely not sharing. I do make a lot of bread and pastries at home, but Japanese baking is just something on a completely different level. And the next thing we're going to try is a red bean bread. The packaging is so cute and it has a little Shiba Inu on the front. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. It looks like a pan Swiss, but stuffed with red bean. It smells so good and buttery. Oh, I just love Japanese pastries. I think even if you don't like red bean, you're going to like this. It's so buttery. The pastry itself is so light and soft. If you've never had red bean paste before, it's got a very earthy but slightly sweet flavor, a really creamy texture, almost reminds me a little bit of chestnut puree. This was on the top of my box and I'm so excited because it has a baby Pikachu on it. Look how cute he is. PokeHearts Ramune candy. Ramune is a really traditional drink in Japan. It's really super sweet and fizzy, and you have to pop the top down so that it has like a little marble that holds the lid in place. It's really funny to watch people opening them, usually for the first time, because they kind of explode and you get it all over yourself. But they taste great and they're really refreshing on a hot day, and these candies are meant to taste just like it. So let's give it a try. These are awesome. I really like these. I'd go out of my way to try and find these and purchase them outside of the box. So really tasty, nice little treat. Next up, Koikeya Farm salt and seaweed chips, or as we call them in the UK, crisps. Oh my gosh, this bag is huge. I know Mr. Editor is gonna love these. I might have to hide them, or maybe I'll be nice and share them. It is Valentine's Day after all. It smells so good. Oh, and they're ruffle cut. You can see all the seaweed on there. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. It's got perfect crunch. The flavor is amazing. I wouldn't say it's like overly seaweedy or anything like that. It's just a really nice, subtle, salty seaweed flavor. Gorgeous. The ruffle cut like holds more of the seasoning and makes it extra crunchy. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering just having the smell wafting up. They're so good. I have to have another one. Moving on to something sweeter, some sweet strawberry mochi. Mochi are like little squishy rice balls and they're occasionally stuffed with something. These ones are stuffed with cream and strawberry jam for Valentine's Day. It's so good. A lot of times when you get like strawberry flavored things, it's really artificial. This actually tastes like there's a real strawberry right shoved in the side of that mochi. It's amazing. Oh, it's so good. I'm not getting a lot of the cream. Maybe the cream is in the other one. Maybe there's 2 different flavors, but either way. Let's try the other one just in case. Nope, this one has strawberry too. I'm still gonna eat it. It's so chewy. So with Sakuraco, they send you a tea every month, but I think TokyoTreat tries to send you some sort of drink. And this is a white chocolate strawberry latte. I'm going to make this in a few minutes and we'll give it a try. So this book talks a lot about Japanese traditions as well. And White Day is a day where the men in your life are meant to give the women that they love gifts. So White Day is all about returning the favor to the women who gave you a gift on Valentine's Day. So I think that I'm gonna need another TokyoTreat box for White Day, Mr. Editor. Oh, sweet. Look, I'm not really a wasabi person. I can't really do the spicy stuff. My tongue is super sensitive to it. But today and today only, I'm gonna do a taste test just for you, so I hope you appreciate it. Spice up your Valentine's Day with wasabi and savory seaweed. With a light wasabi kick, let's hope it's light, these sticky sweet soy sauce seafood sheets are a chewy umami snack for a savory break from your chocolate feast. It's really thin, so hopefully it's not too spicy. I'm a little nervous. Oh, it's very sticky. You can definitely feel that soy sauce on it. Goes right up your nose. It's really good. I actually really love it. Not as sort of spicy as you think it's gonna be, but you definitely get the wasabi heat coming through your nose and eyes. It smells like you're in a sushi restaurant. Like it smells amazing. And it actually tastes amazing. It's way better than I was expecting. Thank goodness, because yeah, I think I could eat more of that. And we still have so much more in here. It's crazy how much they squeeze into these boxes. I love Japanese sweet potato. I ate them every opportunity I could in Japan, and I've tried desperately to find them in the UK. I've even tried growing them in the UK. I have not had success. But if you want to see me eating sweet potato and all of the other delicious things I found in Japan, I've linked my Japanese food tour in the description below. I love sweet potato. So this is fried sweet potatoes with a bit of sugary goodness making up this well-known snack from Kochi Prefecture. They're gonna be so good, I can already tell. They look like little fries from McDonald's. They're so cute. Look how cute. Oh, can you see them, how cute they are? Oh, that crunch. Imagine those banana chips that nobody really likes, but in a flavor that you love and super crunchy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm not sharing these. They're so sweet. The outside almost has like a little gloss to it from when they've been fried. All the sugars have come out of the sweet potato, and I think they add a little sugar in. This is delightful. Time for a bit more chocolate. So Crunky is a really famous snack brand in Japan. They often do like chocolate things. And Choco bananas you can find at every food market. They're basically just a banana on a stick dipped in chocolate, but Japanese people and tourists alike love them. And they've taken the Choco banana and they've put it into a snack. So let's give these Crunky Choco bananas a try. I love how Japan always has these like cute little mascots on everything. It's just the cutest, so sweet. This one even shows you exactly where to open it. The Japanese are living in 3025, I swear. Ooh, they're yellowy on the outside. Oh, you can smell the banana. Whoa. Really banana-y. Woo! It tastes just like a chocolate banana with like Rice Krispie in the middle. Oh, it's really good. If you like chocolate and banana together, These are amazing. Oh, this one's got like a little Japanese tanuki on it. They're like the little, we call them in the Western world like raccoon dogs. They're called tanuki and they're so cute. I just love them. We have an actual pack of ramen, and I think Tokyo Treat tries to send ramen like with most of their boxes. And this actually is from a brand called Tanuki, which is so cute. I didn't know that when I was looking at the little guy on the package. He's so cute. This is a pork flavored ramen, and I am not going to eat it on camera. I am going to enjoy this later on with a nice piece of ham and maybe a hard-boiled egg, some green onions, because ramen is one of those comfort dishes that you just want to tuck into on a cold day, or a hot one, whenever. Can't go wrong with ramen. Next, sweet and spicy mini rice crackers. I love when they send rice crackers because they're not super heavy and you can just enjoy them. And whenever it's sweet and salty, always a fan. Salty senbei rice crackers in an easy-to-eat, crunchy snack. Great for a quick treat, these snappy chips will bring a smile to your face. Already smiling. Oh, they smell good. They're so cute too. Look how cute they are. Oh, crunch. Burst in your mouth flavor, and it's just salty and sweet. There's nothing additional, no additional flavors or anything added to it, but it's just like, oh, it's so good. Perfect for ASMR. Strawberry white chocolate latte. Smells very strawberry, a bit wild. It's not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be, which is nice. I thought it was gonna be like really overpowering white chocolate sweet. It's really creamy for just like a powder mixed with water. Just like with the mochi, it's not like a chemically strawberry flavor. It's pretty natural tasting. Nice little treat. We're down to the last one in the pack, Setsubun Peanuts. This is a really interesting one. So it says in the book, February is not only Valentine's, but Setsubun, a Japanese holiday where children throw soybeans at people in demon costumes to ward off evil. Welcome in good luck with these crunchy peanuts covered in nori, soy sauce, and lotus root honey. I wonder if these come from Chiba. Peanuts are very common in Chiba. Smells really peanutty. Oh, those are good. The soy sauce is like really sticky on the outside of the peanut, and it holds the nori, and I think the honey probably helps with that too. It's just a really light honey flavor. It's mostly salty with just a little bit of sweet and that little bit of seaweed flavor as well. Oh, these are amazing. 10 out of 10, would eat again. I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you ever been to Japan? What's your favorite Japanese food? Have you ever tried one of these boxes? And what did you think? And out of everything I tried today, what do you think you'd like the most? Are you a fan of wasabi? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much to TokyoTreat and Sakuraco for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in trying these treats out, make sure to click on the links down in the description below for $5 off your first order. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ja ne. See you soon.